Your offer's been accepted, but what happens next might surprise you. I'm Brandi Cumin, your South Orange County home selling guide, and today I'll walk you through what to expect once your home goes under contract. Step 1, opening escrow. Once both sides sign the purchase agreement, escrow becomes the neutral middleman that handles all funds and paperwork. You'll get an opening package outlining key dates and tasks. Review it right away to stay on track. Timing matters from day one. Next comes inspections and appraisal. The buyer will schedule their inspections to make sure the home's in good shape, and their lender will order an appraisal to confirm the home's value. Don't panic if small issues come up. Every home has them. My job is to guide you through repairs and negotiations to protect your bottom line. Step 3, the loan and title process. While the buyer's lender finalizes financing, the title company reviews all property records to ensure a clean transfer. During this time, communication is key. I keep everyone aligned so deadlines don't slip and your escrow stays on schedule. Once contingencies are cleared and financing's approved, we prep for closing. You'll sign the final documents, hand over the keys, and make sure move-out and utility transfers are coordinated. I always recommend scheduling your move a day or two after closing, just in case timing shifts slightly. So here's the takeaway. Accepting the offer is exciting, but what happens next is what really matters. That's where experience, strategy, and guidance make the difference. When you work with me, every detail is handled, from start to sold. Visit sellwithbrandi.com and follow me here to get started.